Why AI model choice matters. Not all AI models behave the same. Some are built for instant responses. Others are designed to think deeper before answering. Choosing the wrong model can impact user experience, visitor engagement, and even your AI costs. So how do you know which AI model is right for your WordPress website? In this video, we'll explore the new JoomUnited AI models available in WP AI Assistant, compare fast and thinking AI models, and help you choose the right approach for your specific use case. Whether you're running a WooCommerce store, a documentation portal, or a business website, understanding how AI models affect user interaction can help you create a smarter and more effective experience for your visitors. Why AI models matter for WordPress UX. AI is no longer just a support tool. It's becoming an important part of the user experience on modern WordPress websites. The AI model behind your assistant directly affects how visitors interact with your content. Response speed influences engagement, answer quality affects trust, and overall performance impacts user satisfaction. A slow response can frustrate users. An incomplete answer can reduce confidence. The right AI model helps visitors find answers faster, stay engaged longer, and enjoy a better overall experience. Because AI is not just about generating answers, it's about creating better interactions. Introducing new JoomUnited AI Models. WP AI Assistant allows you to build AI assistants trained on your own content, documentation, website pages, PDFs, and knowledge-based resources. And now, with the introduction of JoomUnited AI Models, you can also choose how those assistants think and respond. WP AI Assistant now includes two AI model categories: Fast AI Models and Thinking AI Models. Fast models are optimized for speed and responsiveness. Thinking models are optimized for deeper reasoning and more complex requests. This gives you more control over the balance between response speed, answer quality, and operational cost. Fast AI Models. When speed wins, let's start with fast AI models. These models are built for speed. They're optimized to generate answers quickly, making them ideal for real-time interactions and high-volume traffic. Imagine a visitor asking, "What are your support hours?" or "Do you support WooCommerce?" or even, "Where can I find pricing information?" These questions don't require complex reasoning. Users simply want quick answers. That's where fast AI models shine. They're ideal for FAQ chatbots, product information requests, navigation assistance, general customer support, lead qualification, and high-traffic websites. Fast AI models help reduce friction, improve responsiveness, and create a smoother user experience. Thinking AI models when depth matters. Now let's look at thinking AI models. These models spend more time analyzing information before generating a response. This allows them to provide deeper reasoning, better context awareness, and more detailed explanations. For example, a visitor might ask, "What's the difference between WP Media Folder and WP Table Manager?" Or, "Which plugin is best for my WooCommerce media workflow?" These questions require context and reasoning. Thinking AI models are designed specifically for these situations. They're ideal for knowledge-based assistance, technical documentation support, product comparisons, multi-step troubleshooting, and advanced customer assistance. The result is a more intelligent and trustworthy interaction experience. Real WordPress scenarios. Let's look at some real-world WordPress scenarios. For a WooCommerce store, a visitor asking about shipping information can be handled instantly by a fast AI model. But if that visitor wants help choosing between multiple products, a thinking AI model can provide a more detailed recommendation. For a documentation website, fast AI models can quickly retrieve articles and FAQs. Thinking AI models can explain troubleshooting procedures step by step and guide users through more advanced problems. And for agency or service websites, fast AI models can answer common service questions, while thinking AI models can help visitors understand which solution best fits their needs. Different goals require different AI behaviors. The best experience often comes from matching the AI model to the type of interaction. Balancing performance, accuracy, and cost. Choosing the right AI model isn't only about user experience. It also affects operational efficiency. Fast AI models are optimized for speed and cost efficiency. Thinking AI models provide higher quality reasoning for more advanced requests. The best strategy is often a combination of both. Use fast AI models for routine interactions. Use thinking AI models for situations where answer quality matters most. This helps deliver a better support experience while keeping AI costs under control. With WP AI Assistant, you can adapt your AI strategy to your audience, traffic volume, and business goals. How to choose the right model. Choosing the right AI model is simple. Inside WP AI Assistant settings, navigate to the AI Models section. From there, select the model that best matches your use case. If speed and responsiveness are your priorities, choose a fast AI model. If your visitors frequently ask detailed questions that require context and reasoning, choose a thinking AI model. We also recommend testing both options and monitoring user engagement to see which model performs best for your audience. The flexibility to choose the right model helps you deliver a better experience for every visitor. Modern WordPress websites need more than simple chatbots. They need intelligent assistants that understand content, engage visitors, and provide meaningful support experiences. With WP AI Assistant and the new JoomUnited AI models, you can choose between speed and depth, or strategically combine both to create the best possible user experience. Whether you're running a WooCommerce store, a documentation portal, an agency website, or a business platform, selecting the right AI model can help improve engagement, support quality, and operational efficiency. If you'd like to explore WP AI Assistant and the new JoomUnited AI models, check out the link in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more WordPress AI tutorials from JoomUnited. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.